Carla made $4,452 last month by using one simple AI tool. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what she did, as well as 2 other AI methods that can make you unlimited income. You don't need to have any experience or skills to get started with these, so there's no excuse to at least not try one of these methods. Let's break them down. Method 1. Let's start with a really simple but effective way to make money online: background removal and replacement. You might be thinking, wait, how is this even a business? Well, here's the thing. There's always a demand for clean, professional-looking images and videos. People need their product photos to look polished, or they might want to make their social media content stand out. That's where tools like CapCut come in. CapCut is a free tool that lets you edit both images and videos. And one of the best things about it is its background removal feature. This AI-powered tool allows you to remove the background from a photo or video with just a few clicks. Think about it. No more spending hours manually erasing backgrounds as you might with Photoshop. CapCut's AI does the hard work for you, and it does it really well. Once the background is gone, you don't just leave the image as a floating subject, you can replace the background with something else entirely. If you've got an image of a product, for example, and the background isn't working for you, CapCut lets you replace it with something more fitting. Maybe a clean white background, or even an AI-generated landscape that adds some flair. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about how you can actually make money with this. There's a massive market for background removal, especially on platforms like Fiverr. Lots of businesses, social media influencers, and e-commerce sellers need images that are free of distractions. They want clean, sharp photos for their products or marketing campaigns. You can step in and offer a simple service like background removal for a fee. On Fiverr, you could easily charge around $5 per image just to remove the background. If you're replacing backgrounds with something more interesting, you could charge $10 or more per image. It's not the highest paying gig ever, but it's an easy way to start making money quickly, with very little upfront effort. Plus, you don't need to have a ton of experience with photo editing. CapCut handles most of the work, and you just need to focus on getting good at delivering fast, reliable service. If you're doing video background removal, that's where the money can really add up. Videos require more work than static images, so you can charge around $15 for removing the background from a short video clip. It might not make you a millionaire, but it's a solid way to build a reputation and make a steady income stream without much overhead. Method 2. The next way to make money is by offering video translation and dubbing services. You might be thinking, okay, but I'm not fluent in 5 different languages, so how could I possibly do this? Here's the thing. You don't have to be fluent in any language other than your own. With a tool like Rask AI, translating and dubbing videos is simple, fast, and, believe it or not, quite in demand. Rask AI is a free tool that allows you to translate and dub videos into different languages. And it's much more powerful than you might think. Not only does Rask AI handle translation, but it also syncs the translated text to match the lip movements of the person in the video. So, if you're translating an English language video into Spanish, for example, Rask AI can make it look like the person is speaking in Spanish, with the lip movements perfectly aligned. It's incredibly impressive, and it's not just for big companies. Small YouTubers and content creators are also realizing the value of reaching international audiences, and that's where you come in. Here's the money-making strategy. Look for YouTube creators who have videos that aren't yet translated into other languages. Smaller channels are especially good targets because they usually don't have the budget to hire professional translation services. You can take one of their videos, use Rask AI to translate it, and create a dubbed version with the new language. Then, you can reach out to the creator and pitch your services. Let them know you've translated and dubbed one of their videos and show them the result. Offer to handle their translation needs on a regular basis. This is an excellent way to start building a portfolio and a client base. You could charge anywhere from $5 to $10 per minute of video, depending on the complexity. Even if you only translate a few videos per day, you could start earning a decent side income. And if you get enough clients, this could easily scale into a full-time gig. Offering a monthly retainer service, where you're managing an entire channel's translations, could result in a steady, reliable stream of income. The best part is that Rask AI makes the process incredibly easy. You don't need to be fluent in every language, and you don't have to worry about doing the voiceover yourself. The tool takes care of the technical side, so all you need to do is find the creators, pitch your services, and use Rask AI to do the heavy lifting. Method 3. For the third method, we're going to talk about something that's becoming increasingly popular: faceless YouTube channels. A lot of people want to start a YouTube channel, but don't want to show their faces or use their own voices. Maybe you're shy, or maybe you just don't want to be on camera. Either way, a faceless YouTube channel can still be a very successful venture, and AI tools can make it easier than ever. TubeMagic is an AI tool designed to help you create and optimize YouTube channels. One of its key features is the Niche Explorer, which helps you find profitable topics to create content around. The best part about this tool is that it doesn't just throw you random suggestions. It uses real data from YouTube to suggest niches with the potential to generate views and revenue, but without being overcrowded. So instead of blindly picking a topic, TubeMagic gives you insights into what's actually working on YouTube right now. Once you've picked your niche, TubeMagic also helps you create video ideas, write scripts, and optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags for better ranking. You won't have to spend hours researching or writing. TubeMagic speeds up the whole process and takes a lot of the guesswork out of content creation. Now, for the fun part, you don't have to use your voice or face on a faceless channel, but you will still need content. That's where PlayHT comes in. PlayHT is an AI tool that turns text into realistic sounding voiceovers. So, if you've got a script generated by TubeMagic, you can simply paste it into PlayHT, and it will turn it into a professional sounding voiceover. You can choose from a variety of voices, all of which sound natural and engaging, making it perfect for faceless channels. To get the visuals for your videos, you can use stock footage from places like Storyblocks. Storyblocks provides a huge library of videos, music, and sound effects that you can use to accompany your voiceovers. Storyblocks also has a tool called Maker, which allows you to put everything together into a full video, all within the platform. This means you don't have to be an expert video editor to create content. The AI and the tools available on Storyblocks make the whole process much easier. With a faceless channel, you can batch create videos, which is a huge time saver. You can create multiple videos in one go, then schedule them for later release. Over time, as your channel grows and starts getting more views, you can earn money through YouTube ads and affiliate marketing. At the beginning, the biggest advantage is that you don't have to show your face or use your voice. It's all about the content and the value you're providing. Once you've got some videos out there, you can even start outsourcing video editing to freelancers on platforms like Fiverr, freeing up more of your time to focus on growing your channel. These methods won't make you rich overnight, but they're simple and effective ways to start building an income online. AI tools make it easier than ever to get started, and with a little creativity and effort, you can start generating income streams that are sustainable. Which of these methods are you thinking of trying out, or have you already tried? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.